One. This is just gonna be a little day hike and drone video. This is second ever solo just day hike I've ever been on with Onyx. This is the first real day hike I've done. It's kind of a big deal. Nah, you're right. You decided, aren't you? No, okay. We're gonna go to Black Balsam. Gonna go fly the drone, completely legal there, and hopefully have a good time. Hey everyone, we are basically here. Just started hiking probably like 5 minutes ago. Lucky enough to find a parking spot pretty close to the trailhead. Black Balsam is always super busy. But Onyx is leading the way, and see if we can't make it all the way up there. Actually, all the way over there. Hey, everyone. Thank God. Yeah, it's a little bit breezier up here than I expected. Got some backpackers likely hiking the real low. Got some dark clouds up here, so I'm gonna have to do some quick flying and get down. Too bad I can't leave Onyx off leash. Strap him around that rock. That was a great view. At the trail, I don't know, it's being a little bit rude, but warned me I am in a legal area right here at Black Balsam. The wilderness area, that's Tennant Mountain, is in between Tennant and here, and then the parkway, of course, is over there, and the parkway range doesn't get to here. This is right in the in-between area, where it's, everything I could find is safe to fly. I can find nothing. Pisgah National Forest is totally fine as far as I can find with recreation. not a national forest. That's a lot of people up here. A lot of people. Still have one battery left. Actually. I'm probably gonna go have some fun with it and zipping around. That's sport mode. On a street, Onyx. Hey, go over here. Come on. That's it. See once we get down the mountain. Decided to stop. Show you that spot right there, that grassy field, and right in front of it is Sam's Knob. That's where, look at my channel, you'll see the video we camped on the far right of that field, right there. Kind of funny to see a different perspective where everything is. A lot of people out here. Just met a group from Florida. They're hiking our lobe in 2 days, I think. This is their first day, and they're going to be done by tomorrow. Hey everyone, I just want to say thanks for watching. I almost forgot to make a final video. Fun little hike. Good experience overall, and I hope to do it again in the future. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.